Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us should have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. Thinking is the capital, an enterprise is the way, and hard work is the solution. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. Small aim is a crime. Have great aim. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Thinking should become your capital asset, no matter whatever ups and downs you come across in your life. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Success is when your signature changes to autograph. Be active, take on responsibility, work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. My message, especially to young people, is to have courage to think differently, courage to invent, to travel the unexplored path, courage to discover the impossible and to conquer the problems and succeed. These are great qualities that they must work towards. This is my message to the young people. Without your involvement, you can't succeed. With your involvement, you can't fail. Let me define a leader. He must have vision and passion and not be afraid of any problem. Instead, he should know how to defeat it. Most importantly, he must work with integrity. We are all born with a divine fire in us. Our efforts should be to give wings to this fire and fill the world with the glow of its goodness. When we tackle obstacles, we find hidden reserves of courage and resilience we did not know we had. And it is only when we are faced with failure do we realize that these resources were always there within us. We only need to find them and move on with our lives. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. If 4 things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. You see, God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. Life and time are the best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. Be more dedicated to making solid achievements than in running after swift but synthetic happiness. Sometimes it's better to bunk a class and enjoy with friends, because today, when I look back, marks never make me laugh, but memories do. Excellence is not by accident. It is a process where an individual, organization, or nation moves forward with a well-defined vision, definite mission, and clear strategy. I'm not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. Let not my winged moments be spent in vain. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Be active, take on responsibility, work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. For me, there are 2 types of people, the young and the experienced. We must think and act like a nation of 1 billion people and not like a nation of 1 million people. Dream, dream, dream. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle, which everyone can think of, as it involves the participation of each and every individual in the world. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. The ignited mind of the youth is the most powerful resource on the earth, above the earth and under the earth. Thinking is the capital, enterprise is the way, and hard work is the solution. Educationists should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among students and become their role model. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. We will be remembered only if we give to our younger generation a prosperous and safe India, resulting out of economic prosperity coupled with civilizational heritage. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Look at the sky, we are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. Educationists should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among students and become their role model. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. One of the very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. Adversity always presents opportunities for introspection. No religion has mandated killing others as a requirement for its sustenance or promotion.